Why do you think that you and Metabolife have been so unfairly characterized in the media?
Well, who could blame the media in a lot of ways? When the Food and Drug Administration, this is an agency that's put in place to do the better for us. They have a fiduciary duty. So we want to believe what they tell us and what they do is accurate and truthful. Why would you listen to a business guy that's selling a product when the FDA itself is coming out and making these allegations with absolutely not one shred of evidence? Still, there are no scientific evidence to show that ephedrine is dangerous, not one that comes out when it's used as directed. But if I'm the media, I'm going to listen to what the Food and Drug Administration has to say. And it happens every day. Just the problem with the Food and Drug Administration, they have other agendas. They know how to use the PR game. If people really believe the Food and Drug Administration is out there truly protecting us to what they're supposed to, why are we having all these problems that are happening now, where people are dying of drugs that haven't really been tested properly, where people are now dying of eating peanuts?
Food. I mean, the food is not tested properly.
FDA regulates 25% or 25 cents of every gross national product dollar of this country. That agency is so overwhelmingly powerful.
And understaffed.
Well, they keep saying that. Are they understaffed? I don't know. I don't know what to believe from the Food and Drug Administration anymore. But when their own employees are writing to a new president with a ray of hope to please do something about the Food and Drug Administration, in fact, I think even on Fox, I believe it was, or CNN, there was a report on there that even in the medical devices, the employees came out and accused, 7 employees, scientists came out and accused the Food and Drug Administration of being corrupt and said they have to dismantle it and start over again. Look, FDA is the regulatory agency of these pharmaceutical companies and big business. I think it is unethical that when they retire, they go work for those same companies that they were regulating. Who would tolerate such a thing? But it's legal. Just that one thing would change the Food and Drug Administration. Changing that, where those people were there working for the Food and Drug Administration, going to work for a pharmaceutical company when they retire.
And maybe as lobbyists.
As lobbyists, our congressman.
Yeah.
Look at Townsend. He's making $2 million a year as a pharmaceutical lobbyist. And yet he is the one that actually was instrumental in putting all the ephedrine out of business, at least in the herbal form. He's also is the one that spearheaded the Medical Reform Act that handed over $200 billion to pharmaceutical, and then he goes and works for them. That's unethical.